How to add an intent in Voiceflow. So first, go to your account, and then here you just need to click on intents here under natural language. Now from here you just need to click on new intent here at the top right, and then enter your intent name. So I'll just type in intent test name, and then as for the description, this is optional. If you want to add one, you can do that. And as for this option here, you can either bulk import or just add here manually. So I'll just type in, for example, order on a number please, or where's my order, something like that. Or you can just generate here. So you can see, and then you just need to click on the required entities here and then choose one here, or you can just choose multiple and then just click on create intent, and it's here. So there you go. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.